Welcome to the Fuentes family channel. My name is Lori. In today's video, we are going to interview beautiful Filipinas from the province of Goa, Bicol, Philippines, and ask them, do young Filipinas really love their much older partners, including foreigners? Yes, guys, we are going to ask their opinion about it, and I'm very eager to start or to begin this interview. And actually, a lot of people or a lot of you were commenting this topic, and we finally decided to make a content about it. You know, we are very curious what would be the opinions of the Filipinos, especially Filipinos from the province. Okay, what would be their answer? Okay, because everyone has a different opinion when it comes to this issue. So can't wait, guys. Let's do it. Enjoy. What is your name po?
Rosemary Aicocho.
Rosemary. That's a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you po. How old are you, Ate Rosemary?
I'm 53.
Wow, you're 53. Are you married?
Yes.
You have kids?
Yes, 4 kids.
4 kids. Wow, 4 kids. Okay, hold on. So how long you've been married, Ate Rosemary?
25 years.
Wow, what is the secret of a long marriage?
Stay happy and be a good wife to your husband.
Be a good wife to your husband. That's a beautiful answer in that. Be a good wife to your husband. Okay, so you have 4 kids and you are working here, right?
Yes.
They're selling porridge, guys, snacks. So anyone who's traveling here in Goa, you can look at what's the name of your store, Ate?
Logo Republic.
Okay, Lugaw Republic. That's the name, guys, of their store. And just look for Ate Rosemary. So, okay. Ate Rosemary, here is the question. Do you think younger Filipinas really love their much older partner? Yes or no? Love
Yes.
nila? Yes. Okay, why did you say yes, Ate Rosemary?
Because, sige. Yung cousin ko kasi, mayroon siyang apam. Pero love na talaga yung apam na yun. Hindi naman siya tumitingin sa pera, hindi.
So, how old is your cousin?
50, 54, something like that.
And then her husband, the foreigner.
Ay, no. Boyfriend talaga.
Boyfriend. How old is her boyfriend?
I think 60 plus.
60
60
plus.
plus, oh.
Okay, so what Ate Rosemary said is love, yes. There are younger Filipinas that they really love their older partners because she has a cousin and her cousin is in her 50s, right?
Yes. 54, something.
54 years old. Her cousin is 54 years old with a foreigner boyfriend, and her boyfriend is 60 plus, right? And then Ate Rose, he's a good man.
Okay.
Oh, what is his nationality?
Australia. Oh.
Australian. Wow, so Australian. Okay, so her cousin is in her 50s and her boyfriend is 60 plus. So Ate Rosemary said her cousin loves her boyfriend so much and she's not after his money, right?
Okay.
Okay, so her answer is yes. Well, thank you so much, Ate Rosemary.
Thank you.
You're okay. Okay, another question. Okay. Do you think some are with older partners for security and a better life in exchange have a younger beautiful woman? Like, for example, may iba pa rin bang mga tao na nakikipagrelasyon sinda sa mas gurang sa inda para magkaigwaning better life, na magkaigwaning maray na buhay, na mas secure na yung buhay ninda in the future. In exchange, ito naman ang mga gurang na gusto din ninda magkaigwaning aki tsaka magayon ng mga partner.
Yes.
You agree with that?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, there are some, right, Ate Rosemary?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know anyone?
I'm not
No, you don't know. Okay. So this answer of yours is based on what? Based on what you saw on the social.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. So based on social media.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. Okay. For the last question, Ate Rosemary. Okay. Do you feel some Filipinas eventually fall in love regardless of the large age gap? Para sa imo ba, yung mga Filipinas ba na nai-inlove din ba sinda kahit yung age gap ninda halangkawon yung halimbawa parang 30 plus yung age gap or 20 plus or 40 plus let's say na fall in love din ba sinda?
Oo, kasi for example, my husband, I'm,
Oh,
ano panganay akong tingnan sa kanya. Siya 50, ako 53.
okay. I think 3 years age gap is not that much compared to let's say 25 years. To make it short, Ate Rosemary's answers are all positive that she believes in love. What is your name?
Julianne po.
Julianne. Wow, Julianne San Jose, the singer. Nice to meet you, Julianne. How old are you, Julianne?
22 po.
22. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
May jowa po.
Oh, you have a boyfriend.
Yes po.
Okay. You're studying, right?
Yes po.
What is your course?
BS Math po. BS
Oh,
Mathematics.
So you'll be a teacher.
No po.
What is that? BS Mathematics.
Ano po, valid dahil po siya under kang education. Pero ano siya, Bachelor of Science in Mathematics po. Pero pwede man po siya mag methods po. Ganun.
Okay,
Para
so-
ma-course po yung
So after you graduate, what is your job? Like what job you'll get after you graduate?
siguro po sa office po. Like ganun. Mga analysis.
BS Math.
Yes.
Okay, I see. That's new for me. Okay. Well, here is the question, Julian. Do you think, or no, yeah, do you think younger Filipinas really love their much older partners, including foreigners?
Ah,
Yes or no?
Siguro po, yes naman po. Kasi, for me, pag once po na pumasok ka po sa isang relationship, siguro di mo naman po masasabing hindi mo po mahal yung isang tao. Kasi for me, papasok ka doon po sa relationship kasi love mo po yung yung isang tao. And yung love po na yun is may kapartner po siya na commitment para dun sa tao.
Oh, I love that answer. So what Julianne said was, for her, it is yes. Younger Filipinas love their much older partners, even it's foreigner or Filipino, okay? And because if you are going to, what do you call this? If you are going to enter a relationship, that means you love that person, and it's also you'll also have this commitment, right? Okay, so it's not just like okay, I'm going to be her wife or his wife, or I'm gonna be his girlfriend because he's rich like that. So you also believe in love, right?
Yes.
Wow, I love that answer. Okay, next is, do you think some are with older partners for security? Okay, do you think some are with older partners for security and a better life in exchange have a younger beautiful woman? Yung may mga Filipina na gusto lang talaga ninda magkaigwa ng secured na buhay, magkaigwa sinda ning maray na buhay in the future. And then, in exchange that, yung mga gurang na mga partner ninda, gusto rin na magkaigwa ng magayon tsaka batang, what do you call this? Partner. So, do you think may mga araw pa ba kaya ninyan?
Siguro, meron pa po. Kasi I think po talaga, syempre, para po sa akin, as babae din po, and looking forward po sa future partner ko po. Syempre, kailangan din po nating i-secure yung future po natin. And syempre, lalo po sa panahon ngayon is, we need to be practical po din. And hindi lang po dapat yung love, dapat kailangan din po maging practical din po minsan.
So what Julian said is we need to be practical now.
Yes.
It's not just about love, but we need to secure ourselves as well in the future. Okay. And that is based on your yourself, right?
Yes.
This is not based on what you saw on social media, or this is not based on or from your friends' experience or your relative. This is your idea. I mean your answer, like for yourself, right? That you also thinking of to be a practical, right? To be
Yes, po.
practical and to secure yourself. Okay, I see. So to answer that question, she said yes. She think that some are with older partners for security. It's just this the same thing with, some people, they want a younger partner so they could they could show to people also that, oh, I have a younger beautiful partner, right? Okay. Next is, do you feel some Filipinas eventually fall in love regardless of the large age gap?
For me, yes po. Kasi, para po sa akin, yung love po naman, wala naman po siya sa age. And sabi nga po nila, age doesn't matter. So, if you love that person, hindi mo naman po titingnan or aanuin pa yung age kasi mahal mo nga po yung isang tao.
So if you love that person, you won't base on how old is he or
Yes
how
po.
old is she. As long as you love that person,
Yes
right?
po.
Age doesn't matter. That's what Julianne said. Okay, Ate, what is your name?
Eileen Pasionas.
Eileen. Nice to meet you, Ate Eileen. Okay, so how old are you, Ate Eileen?
38 po.
38. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single po.
She's single. No kids, right?
No.
Kids. Okay, so you're working here, right?
Yes.
What is your work?
Mabantay ng tindahan.
Food attendant.
Yes.
Yes, they're selling foods, right, ate? This one, guys, they have French fries. Okay, that's their store. Also drinks, halo-halo, any kinds of
Milk tea.
snacks, milk tea. They also sell those. Okay, so Ate Eileen, here is the question: do young Filipinas really love their much older partners? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Yung kasabihan niya na age doesn't matter. Tapos talagang may mantik ang puso baga kung matanda di man sa hindi yung puso matuturuan.
Joke lang, ate, mahampang kita. Ayun. So, what Ate Eileen said is, age doesn't matter. And then, we can't teach our heart who to fall in love with, who we want, who we love. No. So, that's a beautiful answer. Okay. Next question. Do you think some are with older partners for security and a better life, in exchange have younger beautiful woman? Like for example, ate, para sa imo ba, may iba bang mga Pilipina o ibang yung mga aki-aki pa na they are in a relationship sa mas gurang sa inda para magkaigwaning security, para mas secure na yung buhay ninda to have a good life in the future. Tapos, yung mga gurang din, ang ano ninda is, magkaigwa din sila ng aki pa, tsaka mas magayon na partner. Ano ba, do you think, ikaw pa bang mga araw kayo yan? Na may mga araw ito?
Oo. May iba pa. Oh.
So, your answer is yes.
Yes.
There are some
Oh.
people that are in a relationship with older men
Oh.
because they want to have a better life, right? In exchange, those men are also what do you call this? Like they will have younger and beautiful partners as well, right?
Yes. So,
Yes. So, this answer of yours, is this based on what you saw on social media, or you knew someone? May kamidid ka ba? Or
pinsan ko.
oh, your cousin.
May 40 years old siya. Tapos, yung asawa niya lalaki. Tapos siya 20 na.
Oh, your cousin is 20 years old, and then her husband or her
40.
boyfriend?
Husband na ngayon.
Her husband is 40 years old. Is he Filipino or
Pares Filipino.
both Filipinos? Wow. Do they have kids now?
Mayroon.
They have
Dalawa.
So 20 years age gap.
Ay, hindi ko sabihin. Pero lang daw ng boxing bagon.
Oo, na
Kasi, pinsan ko kaya, bali duwang niya. Better life, tapos love.
oh, that's why. So Ate Eileen said, no. So Ate Eileen said it's because her 20 years old cousin is with her husband because she wants to have a better life, and also because she loves her husband. Her husband is 40 years old. Both are Filipino. Wow. Okay. Well, thank you. That explains why. Okay. So next question, Ate Eileen. Do you feel some Filipinas eventually fall in love regardless of the large age gap? Para sa imo ba, yung mga Pilipino ba or mga Pilipina ba ng mga aki pa na in love na lang sinda kahit kahit halabaon pa or kahit halangkaon pa yung age gap ninda? Alam ba 20 years ang age gap or 30 years?
Pilipina?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so her answer is yes. She thinks so. Okay. What if ate you saw what if you see a young Filipina, let's say an 18-year-old Filipina with 60-year-old foreigner? Do you think she's with the foreigner because she loves him or because she's only after her money?
Oh, depende sa persona yan.
It depends to the
Oo.
person. Okay.
Depende kung ano. Example nga na yan, si Vic Soto baga tapos si Olindona, di ba?
Okay, that's right. Those names that Ate Eileen mentioned, they are well-known couple here in the Philippines because the woman, she's very young, and then her husband, both Filipino guys, the husband is very, very old. So she said they love each other. Well, they do because both of them are actors, right? And they're both rich. So you can't really say that she is only after her money. So you really believe in love, right? I really love that answer. Thank you so much.
Kasi yung love, wala naman pinipili yan.
So you cannot say that if you see a Filipina, a younger Filipina with an older foreigner, you can't really say that she's only after his money, right? Yes, it depends to the person. Well, thank you so much, Ate. Yes, don't judge. That's right. Don't judge. Okay, thank you, Ate Eileen. That's a very nice answer.